is it?
Papa!
Later!
Yaga.
This is Carson's first time on the exerciser. What do you think? Okay. Can you show me what we put up? Morning, Hunter. Alright, so Mama said I have a surprise for you. Okay, so come over here and then you're gonna close your eyes, okay? Okay, yeah, close your eyes. Okay, close them. Okay, keep them closed. Okay. Alright, ready? What is it, Hunter?
Curry.
It's Cruz. It's a picture frame. We're gonna put it in your room so that you can see it every day. And guess what? There's more friends. Look.
Papa!
Who's it?
Papa!
Later!
Yaga.
Yeah, you think there's lightning? Let's see. Who is it?
Yaga.
Sally! Okay, let's see who's next.
Duck. Yaga.
Lightning!
Come.
Okay, let's see. Who's next?
Duck.
Doc Hudson. Yahoo! Okay, and then the last one is do you like it? Miss Kayla got these for you. Isn't that nice? They look so beautiful, huh?
Mama.
That's all we have, love. That's all we have. Okay, so we're gonna hang it up. Mommy's got to measure it on your wall, and then we're gonna hang it up together. Okay? Enter. Can you show me what we put up?
I need a map.
Yeah. All framed. Put up. I thought I measured it correctly. It looks a little bit crooked to me from the camera, but hopefully it's okay. You can always readjust it later. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Your room is coming together. Looks good. And I'm probably gonna put up a couple more photos on this bare wall here. Probably nothing on the wallpaper side. Not sure what I want to do with these two sides. If I should just leave them be, or we should add something to it. What do you think?
Yaga.
Yeah, maybe some like shells or something. Yay! It's awesome. Oh, you okay? This is Carson's first time on the exerciser. What do you think? Yeah. He really loves just standing. I mean, obviously while Logan and I are holding him up, but he just likes the feeling of being up, like having his legs straight out. So I thought this would be a fun thing for him to be on. Yeah. This exerciser I think is at least 14 years old because it first belonged to my oldest niece, Kate, who's now 14. I think she'll be 15 soon. No, I think actually she's already 15. Sorry, she'll be 16 soon. So it's 15 years old. Wow. Hunter, are you cleaning? Thank you for cleaning, love. Thank you so much.